All right, we got kind of a hit it and quit it lesson going here. This is from Fontaines D.C. It's called Televised Mind. Now this one, I decided to tune my E string down to D, and you'll soon see why. The song's in F sharp, but I like to hit the F sharp with the D tune down because you can hit like a. Kind of a skanky punk sound. Reminds me of, I don't know what it reminds me of. It reminds me of some of the sort of grungy stuff I've heard. But this one, Televised Mind, has, I'll go to Televised Mind, you know, it's got kind of that Brit rock thing going. But I like the sound of the low string doing, that's the main lick. But it has a F sharp, and then it goes like a minor thing. And then it goes to an E, to a D. That's pretty much it. But the main lick is. And it's a minor, then E, D. Got a little Nirvana in there. So that's Televised Mind. It's a really produced track, so it's hard to really, with one guitar, even an electric guitar, if I had a lot of echo on it, I'd be bashing it and stuff. But basically, that's the thing, that's the feel. The drummer's doing that too. Kind of a primal thing. So that's Televised Mind for what it's worth. I hope you enjoyed it.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free. and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it'd mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.